Good morning. I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I'm so glad you tuned in today. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to see what I'm creating. And today I am working on Junk Journal January 2025, and the prompt is number 23, newspaper. This is the closest thing that I've got to a newspaper. It's like newspaper paper, but a little bit shiny. So this is going to have to do. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to skip this page. I'm going to skip this page and these two pages because they're pretty. And I might do something on here someday. But I want to do a double page spread, not on there, on here, right through the middle. And wow, that's the middle? That can't be the middle. Is there two signatures in here? No. Wow. That's crazy. Look how much... and I'm only in the middle. Look how big that is. Alright, well anyway, I'm going to just collage little bits of this paper over this. And then we'll figure out what we'll do as a focal point. But first I need to get all my little pieces that I want to use, so I'm going to do that and then we'll finish filming. Okay, so I have a bunch of stuff ripped out, and then I saw this and I thought this could be a cute little focal point maybe on one side. And I just cut out things that kind of stuck out to me. Challenges of living longer, treat them with dignity and respect, something about New York there and the budgets. My data's been hacked, food labels decoded, and we have this yoga lady, which maybe I could put on the other side. I don't know, but let's figure this out. This is the backbone of our... I don't think I'm going to use every piece of every, you know, like, these are so big. I don't think I'm going to have to use all of them. Let's put it that way. So, I'm just thinking about, you know, collaging on top. And, you know, what gets covered up, I guess. Well, actually, maybe I do need some of these. Maybe I am going to need all these, but of course I may not use her. I don't know. But anyway, this is like me. This is what I do every morning. I go to the window. If it's nice out, I open it. If it's summer, spring, or fall, I open the windows. I've got to have light. Light, light, light. When I was talking about depression the other day, somebody mentioned, you know, have as much light in your house as possible. And I have to wholeheartedly agree to that because that's how I am. I have to have light. That's one of the reasons why I picked the house I live in, because every room is like a wall of windows. And we have a southern and eastern, mostly southern and eastern exposure. We don't have any north windows, which is fine. With the southern and eastern, you get such beautiful light every single day, every moment of every day. And even on the west side, you know, we have a giant window in the bedroom and it's light and bright in there all day until it's dark outside. So anyway, if you are battling depression, definitely get light into your house. All right, I am going to start gluing down some papers. And I'm just going to try to do it without any real rhyme or reason because I don't know. If I think about it too much, I'll get overwhelmed. So let's not think about it too much. Okay, get this up a little. I'll have to trim off some of the edges probably. I probably should have like a gluing page down under here. We don't get glue on everything. So let's do that. Okay, I want to make sure I was actually filming. I've done that before, not been filming. Oh, I guess I'll do this page first, since I don't have a glue anything under there. Okay, let's do this. Okay, then I have to. Challenges of living longer. People are living longer these days. And I guess it's posing some challenges. We'll do this page first. I keep having to remind myself. This is the one that has the paper behind it. I'm wondering if I should just go over the edge. Maybe not with this piece, but maybe with a piece like this. Yeah, I think I'm going to trim this off, though. We don't need any blank white spaces. Alright, so maybe that can go there. Alright, but let's finish this page first. Food labels decoded. I actually might have to. I think I don't want her on there, because I don't want another face. Because it'll distract from my focal point, which now I'm not even sure if any, how much of this is going to actually show. Let's see, put a little piece of this on the bottom. I do hope I'm on camera. I better check. Okay, I guess I was better off where I was before I moved it. Alright, so that's going to go here. Let's move it up a little. There, that's going there. This is going to kind of go right here. I don't know, maybe I'll put this on this side. I'm going to need something for here. I guess I don't have to figure out immediately. That's going to be too small. Okay, I need more. Here's a piece. Alright, here we go. This should be just fine. Okay, we got that there. Let's put this here, but first, cut that part off. Maybe I should have ripped it. Okay, that's going to go there. So this is newspaper. How are you guys doing? Are you in the super cold weather zone? We are. It's 2 degrees and it's supposed to get colder. It's supposed to get in the negatives tonight and tomorrow. I'm filming this on Tuesday, the 21st, January 21st. And tomorrow, it's supposed to get super cold. And tonight. Not looking forward to that. Poor Dobby. It's just too much for him. Keeping your receipt and contacting your bank to request the fee be reversed. That sounds like a good thing to have on my on here. Alright, that's going there. Okay, now we just have this spot right here, which this almost covers. I'll have to put a little tiny piece of something right down here. But I think we've got it. I think we have enough. Let's get this up where we need it. Okay, this glue down, yeah. Okay, so I need like a little tiny bit to go down here. What have I got? Broad watch. Oh, here we go. Let's use this. I'll put this right down here and cut that off where we need it to be cut off. Oops. There, that can go right there. So now we have our background of newspaper clippings. Let's try to, let's trim it off and then figure out from there what we're doing next. I think I have a piece of tape, like double-sided tape on my scissors. Yeah, I like these drawings too much to cover. However, if I run out of space, I'll probably, I'll have to cover them, but hopefully I won't. Oops. Let's get that turned off. Okay, now this side. Oops. That didn't get cut off. Alright, what do we got over here? There we go. I'm having trouble trimming this page. It's awkward, because it's so full. Alright, that's good enough. Let's see how it looks. I think I need glue under here. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now. And I have my little focal point. I guess it doesn't really matter where I put it, but I do think I'm going to try to ink it a little. Ink it up. I can't say that I've ever made a collage out of newspaper clippings, but it's kind of cute. The backbone of our healthcare system, private practice is on the brink of collapse. I have to agree. It's very difficult now to get anything set up for doctor appointments. When I was growing up in the 60s, you had a family doctor. If you got sick, you made an appointment, and they took you right in. You had your annual physicals, and that was good. I don't know why they messed with that system, but they did. And also, there was no such thing as health insurance, medical insurance back then either. Well, there may have been, but it wasn't something everybody had or needed to have because healthcare was affordable, even without insurance. I didn't grow up in a rich family, but we didn't have medical insurance for a long time until it became the norm. So anyway, I see a little bubble here. Let's put some glue down there. No bubble there. So what can I do over here? I have some stickers that might look cute if they show up. We have some tulip and flowers in here. Oh, sorry. This is what it's looking like now. I hope that I got some of that on camera, but here's some flowers. Well, that would be pretty, actually. What else have we got? I'm going to put one right here. I like that. I think we need a few more here. Maybe I could write something on there, but I'd have to write on something else first. Put this down on the bottom. All right, I think for now, or maybe this would look better because it's slightly smaller. Let's see how this looks over here. Put this one over here. These sometimes are a pain in the butt to get off too, but it looks like this one's coming off pretty good. So this one's going to go right here. And I guess I'll put this one over here for now. Nope, they're not as hard to get off as I thought they would be. Put this one on. Maybe I'll put something on that side too. But first, I need to figure out some kind of quote. And of course it will just blend in with all this background, so I need to put it on a blank piece of paper. Alright, so I used this pad here, which has lusciously aged paper, but it was slightly too wide, so I had to cut it down, and I just gently inked or slightly inked around the edges so it would look pretty good, but I think I might try doing this. And then you might have already caught what the quote was. And I don't know who wrote this quote, but it says, "Youth is the gift of nature, but age is a work of art." Since this is an AARP newspaper about aging, I thought that would be an appropriate quote for this. So let's, and since I am aging myself, let's put this up right here. I kind of regret now putting my stickers up first because I could have like maybe put one on top. Well, I can still put one on top, but I could have made it bigger. I could have used a bigger piece and not had to cut off. Look at all that luscious stuff. Wow, I wonder what that's from. Well, anyways, let's definitely need something there. I was thinking a sticker, but now I'm thinking more like a stamp, like perhaps this one, just the top. I think that would look good. So let's do that. This is my favorite stamp I think that I've ever had. Even more favorite than my animals. They say to count for 8 seconds when you're putting stamps down. That looks okay. That looks okay. It looks a little weird just having the top of the dandelion there, but I think we need something here too. Maybe another sticker, but let's try. I think I have some just leafies. No. That would be pretty in the corner up there. Oh, I did say I was going to put something there and I forgot. Maybe we'll just kind of put that like that. Oh, this one's kind of gunky. I don't think that one's going to work, but maybe I can just put some glue on that part. There, let's see if that works out. I was going to put it like this, right? Okay, that's not bad. I do see that. That part is not going down too great. All right, and what about over here? Where's my purple? These are daisies. Maybe another skinny purple one that I can put on the other side. How about this one? That looks okay. Let's do that. And then we'll be done. Now I wish I had put a sticker on here instead. Okay, so that's going there. And oops. Oh no, don't be wrinkled, please. There. And our number was 22, I believe. 23. Newspaper. So we'll just put a little 23 down here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And please join me again next time for line. And also, don't forget to check out my freebies on my Ko-fi website. Nice vintage freebies that you can download. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.